Yo guys, it's Sophie Smith and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you and me are going to be learning how to fix a tyre. And because the main priority in this bit is actually properly fixing it, because my tyre actually got a puncture in and we went to the bike shop and got a load of stuff to fix the tyre. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and all the other of the videos that come out, and to make sure that you get notified about all the videos that come out, turn on bell notifications for me, and that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so we're outside at the moment. Why? Ow. 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 So guys, as I told you, my bike got a puncture and we tried to fix it, but it didn't work, so we had to go to the bike shop to get a new inner tube, which it says right here if you can see it. So yeah. What do we do next, Mama?
So the first thing that we have to do is get the tyre on one of these tools, which has a hook one end and like a spatula, and we need to get the tyre off, but it's quite easy at the moment because the tyre is completely flat. So basically we're just going to stretch it across. Make sure that when you're stretching it, the valve, which is around the other side, is the last part to come out because it's got its cap on so that it stays inside. So we're just going to stretch over like this. It's not coming off, so I'm going to use the spatula end, put it in there. Really difficult for them to see. So we're just going to pull it over, pull it across, like that. Ta-da! And it's just hooked on by the cap. So Sophie's going to remove the cap for me, twisting it to the left to loosen it off. And then now it just comes out easily. Ta-da! Now Sophie's going to pull the inner tube out of the tyre.
Okay. Now I'm just going to pull this inner tube out, which is inside of the tyre.
And then now it's ready to put the new inner tube in.
So now we're going to put this new one in.
Nobody can see you, Sophie.
Hi.
Remember to pick up any rubbish and put it in a pile, because otherwise you might get in trouble with the litter police. And keep hold of that cap as well, it's really important. Although the new inner tube, it does come with a cap. That's cool.
I can't put it in.
So basically, we're going to take the cap off the new inner tube, and then we're just going to push it into the tyre. Hold it there. Sophie will do the other side while I do this side. It kind of stays there quite easily because the tyre, when it's loose like this, it just kind of falls apart, flops down. Almost there. Just doing the bottom part now. The top's falling out, Sophie.
Ugh, why is this so annoying? Can you stop eating it?
Yeah. Right. Just as you think you got it in, it comes back out again. Right, now this time what we'll do is we're going to start by putting in the valve first. So you find the hole on the actual rim of the tyre, or the rim of the wheel, should I say.
Should I say?
And then you just push the tube through. And you push the tyre together, and then you turn it round and stretch it on. So, let go a minute, Sophie. it gets too tough, you use your implement. Usually what happens is most of the tyre goes in, and then like there you just have one small section, and then by using this spatula you just kind of slide it along and it all pops in neatly. So now
that the tyre's in, what?
now for the pumping up. Pause the video. Right, so we've got the pump now. It's a foot pump with a gauge on it. Just release it, open it, and then plug it on. It'll be more easy. Now I'm going to let Sophie pump it up, and I'll be back in a few minutes to check on the progress.
Ah. Wait a second, so it just goes down. Oh, that's pretty easy. That's really hard now. I want it so we can't scratch it. I did it! Thank you.
Cheers.
What? That's rock solid.
Well, how come I can still press it in there? Bit more. Keep going.
Why?
Keep going till I stop.
Look, it's rock solid.
Just keep going.
It's rock solid, Mommy. What are you on about?
Brilliant.
Jesus.
It's really done. Good work.
Is that it?
I really like it.
Is that all you have to do? Oh, okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you learnt a few things about how to fix a tyre. And if you were wondering how to fix a tyre in the first place, then I hope now you can actually fix it and that your bike or whatever is brand new and brand spanking new. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.